Hey, I want you to take a look at some of my very first videos online. I want to show you what these look like. I'm going to talk about the lessons I learned from these. So let me flip the screen for you. All right, so what I did was went to my YouTube channels, and I had so many different YouTube channels, and I probably had some videos on YouTube start posting around 2012. So you can see some of these videos here, say like 13 years ago, around 2012. Right, and I had a few different YouTube channels. There's a few, you know, my wife used to be in the music business as well. But you can see some of these different videos 12, 13, 14 years ago. And I'm gonna walk you through some of these in a minute and share some powerful lessons from these videos to show you that you don't have to be perfect to get started with video. All right, and I'm gonna share with you 5 lessons that I learned from my very first videos. And let's get started. All right, here's one of my very first videos as well that I created. Now now look at this video. There's nothing pretty about it, nothing quality about it. And this was like an affiliate marketing program I was promoting.
What's up, everybody? This is Chris with GetCashMoneyFromHome.com. And I just want to explain to you real quick how the program that I really love kind of set up on my own, but it's kind of called the all-in-one cash bundle.
Now, you see how that is. There's nothing perfect about this at all, right? I just showed up, right? Here's another one. Well, I was doing real estate, wholesaling. I did that for 2010, 2012. And this was like I wasn't even on camera.
While I was in the Air Force, I got started in the music business. And I always had a passion for music. I grew up in the musically inclined.
Now this one here was actually a video. Now, what I noticed about a lot of my earlier videos, you know, even the ones that look like crap, right? Like leaving these videos here, I was always giving some kind of value, right? So I was always giving something of great value. All right. Now this one here, check this one out. This is called How to Become Wealthy, not How Not to Become Wealthy. And then check this one out. This one's funny. Now this was raw and uncut footage I took from the State Fair, Texas. Look at this, October 20th, 2012. All right, come on, get on with it. Now, this is showing this is the Texas State Lottery at the Texas State Fair. Now, this video, someone would say, could be polarizing, controversial. Because I'm saying this is what people do who won't become wealthy. And it was just chaotic in here, where everyone's doing.
State lottery. Hundreds of people there.
So all these folks in there gambling, trying to get rich quick, you know, from not doing any work. Now, this was a very impromptu video, right? We were at the state fair, right? And all of a sudden I said, man, look at this. I'm gonna pop on and do a video. So sometimes you gotta be willing to be polarizing with your views, you know, with your values. So that was a lesson I learned from this. It's okay to be polarized and stand out. So that way, you know, it's okay to stand out from the crowd and not try to fit in like everybody else, because that's what attracts people to you. And that's what I did with that video here. That's way back in 2012. I got some more. Let's check out some more. All right. Now you also can go to my YouTube channel if you want to watch all these videos to laugh. And this one here, this is the good one. Check this one out.
Yo, what's up, y'all? This is Christopher Harold. You're probably wondering, what in the world am I doing with this airflow? But that's the whole point. The title of this video got you clicking on this video, didn't it? The thumbnail made you open up this video.
Now, see, the name of this video is actually called How to Get the Attention of Whomever You Desire. Man, this is some good stuff I made a long time ago, right? And I had this wig on to get your attention, to do a little NLP, you know, break state, as we say, right? And so I was talking about how to break state, how to get the attention of people, how to stand out from the crowd. So you got to have fun, all right? Don't be too robotic that people can't laugh, right? So this here makes people laugh. They, oh my, and I got some newer videos I'll show you. I really make you laugh. I just want to show you some old stuff this time. All right, let's see what else we got on here. Okay. Here's another one.
From the income that she's making.
I think this one.
You insane in the membrane. That's real. Hey, what's up, y'all? Christopher Harrell, NineForever100.com. I also work with ChrisHarrell.com. Hey, your brain is messing you up. Your brain is your worst enemy. You are insane in the membrane, as Cypress Hills used to say back in the day.
All right, so this video here is the value. Start off a little black and white, so that was good. Now, the next one I'm gonna show you, it's really, really, really powerful. And all right, this one here is really powerful. It's called How to Manifest Money or Anything Out of Thin Air. I did it way back in 2014. And it's one of my, and people still love this video to the day. And again, it's not because it's super quality. Look at the quality. The quality is bad.
Watch this entire
I got a whiteboard sitting on top of a chair, a raggedy chair. Look at that. A white, I didn't have a nice setup, but the content in this video is killer. It's amazing content. And so it's game-changing content. So listen, you don't have to have the best quality setup. You don't need a $50,000 production studio, but the content, everyone loves this content. Look at it. Look at the views, over 1,100 views. And it says 10 years ago. Actually, this video was made in April of 2014. It's one of my most favorite old videos I ever created because of the content. It's a game changer.
A lot of money. Certain things in your life. Now, number one, for example, a lot of people in the home-based business profession, right? Or any type of profession.
All right. Go watch this video. I'm telling you, go to my YouTube channel. Go watch this video. It's crazy how to manifest money, anything out there. Crazy content. Go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to it while you're there as well. All right. And it's so many on here, but oh my goodness, what happened to it? It was one more I want to show you that was really, really, really powerful. And it wasn't even my video. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on.
Alrighty then. Hey, my friend Christopher Harrell here at 𝐂𝐻. I want to welcome you to my website here. I'm here with my kids here. Josiah, my little boy here, and my daughter Brianna, and my wife Shalon is in the other room.
Now this one here, I actually made in 2013. This is before my youngest son, Caleb, was even born. Caleb was born in 2014. This is when there's Josiah and Bree. And there's so many funny things on here, but I just want to show you this. Put your family on there too. All right, just have a little fun. All right, I got one more I want to show you as well. And this one here is on my YouTube channel, and it's very powerful because this lady here, she passed away in December 17, 2012. And I shared this video because she made this video to raise some funds, and she's not talking on it. It just has music. And she died of cancer, 2012. And I shared it because she touched some emotions. It's very powerful and emotional video here. And so the point is that it's okay to be emotional in your videos as well. So there you have it. I wanted to show you some of my old videos. As you saw, the quality wasn't great. A lot of the times the audio wasn't even great at that time. You won't have good audio now, right? But the point is that I just wanted us to show up. I was willing to show up and share some powerful value. I always get some value, willing to show up, willing to be polarized, and be willing to have fun, be willing to share your values, and be willing to show emotions as well. So those are some of my takeaways from my early videos. Now here's the deal. I want to help you right now get comfortable doing video, because I'm telling you, once you add this to your business, it can change everything for you. I put together a free 5-day video challenge series you get access to right now. Just comment below video, and we will send the link to join this free 5-day challenge video series. All right. You want to love it. You're going to get these are short, actionable videos for you to take action on every day, my friend. So I want to give this to you as a free gift to help you grow your business, take your business to the next level, my friend, and get you more comfortable and more confident using video. So again, comment the word video, and I'll give you access to that. And I'll see you on the next one, my friend. Peace and God bless. Oh yeah, go subscribe to my videos on YouTube. Watch my old videos too. All right, my friend. God bless.